In this video, we will have a discussion on numbers. Basically, numbers are of two types. One, it is a real number. The other one is an imaginary. In this video, we will focus our discussion on real numbers. Before we proceed further, let us first discuss on number lines. So what is a number line? It is a pictorial representation of number on a horizontal straight line. Any number that can be spotted on the number lines are real numbers. Now let us furthermore discuss on numbers. Let us first have a discussion on some type of real numbers. The first one is an integer. So what is an integer? It is a number with no decimal or fractional part. It could be positive or negative, including 0. For example, 1, 2, -1, -2, and so on. These numbers can be spotted on the number lines, hence an integer are real numbers. Now let us go to the natural number. Natural number are positive integer starting from 1. They are also called counting number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These numbers can also be spotted on the number lines, and hence natural number are real numbers. The next one is the rational number. These are the number that can be expressed in the form of a ratio P by Q with terminating decimals, with Q not equal 0. If it is a non-terminating, then it should have a repeating decimals. For example, 2 by 3, then 1 by 2, and so on. So here 2 by 3, if we divide 2 by 3, then 3 into 0 will get 0. Then here we'll carry 2, we'll put point, then 0. 3 into 6 is 18, then again we'll get 2, we'll put 0. 3 into 6 become 18. So this one will keep on continue. So therefore 2 by 3 can be expressed as 0.6666 and so on. Although this 2 by 3 is not terminating, but it has a repeating decimals. So therefore 2 by 3 is a rational number. So 1 divided by 2. If we divide 1 by 2, here we can write 2 into 0 is 0. So 1, we'll put here point, then 0, 2 into 5, then here we'll get 10. So 1 by 2 is nothing but is equal 0.5, which is nothing but rational numbers. These numbers can also be spotted on the number lines, hence they are real numbers. The next one is irrational number. It is a number that cannot be expressed as a ratio of integer or a decimal number, that is non-terminating and non-repeating. For example, pi, then root 2, and so on. But all these numbers can also be spotted on the number lines. Hence, irrational numbers are also real numbers. The next one is a prime number. It is a natural number greater than 1, which is not a product of two smaller natural number. Or in other words, we can say that it is a natural number with exactly two factors, 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. All these numbers can also be spotted on the number lines, and hence they are real numbers. The next one is a composite number. So what is a composite number? It is a positive integer that has at least one divisor other than 1 and itself. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, and so on. These numbers can also be spotted on number lines, and hence they are real numbers. In summary, all these numbers in the discussion above, that is from integer to composite number, they can be spotted on the number lines, hence they are real numbers.